And it is opening and working great. Woohoo! Okay guys, we are going to have to fix our gate. It does not close all the way. Sometimes it's all the way open, about 2 to 3 feet. And it's pretty much because of the post. The two before, due to the weight of this gate, I guess, just has split. And so we're going to take it off, and I think Monty's going to put another 2x6 here and maybe go longer, and we'll bolt that in, and then we'll just put the gate back on that. So then it should be able to close all the way. And it's pretty much another patch system until we are able to replace the whole pole. This is what it looks like before, and you can tell the gate just doesn't close. Well, look what we found. Come on. So that pole has split. We need to replace the pole, but there is no way we can replace it today. Probably going to have to patch it and then get another pole and set it. And it'll have to set up in concrete and everything probably before we can mount the gate to that. So we're going to have to do a temporary fix so our gate will work. And then we'll schedule a time to get the new pole in and make a whole new gate assembly.
Got me long pieces of deep.
So it looks like he's going to try something different if he can find all the parts. I think he called this unistrut, and he's going to try attaching it to that. So we'll see. Do you need me to help hold?
Need it to get here.
It looked like it could have been a little uneven. Does it matter?
Not. This right here. Yeah. They're for unistrip. Whenever you pull, the way these are supposed to work, whenever you pull, put the screw through from the other side, it pulls this down and then it rotates, and it's just wide enough that it'll rotate around and then lock in place.
Because it can't go all the way around.
Right.
It's too wide. Okay.
But I'm turning them around backwards.
Yeah.
Actually, this might be the way they're supposed to go. I don't know. They use them in so many different applications that I put them however I can make them work.
Okay. I think that's going to work so much better.
Thought he was gonna use the auger.
Well, he's going to auger the holes around it, and I think he's using the backhoe to dig the holes where he's going to put the trees, and then he's going to, at least for a long time.
It's looking good.
I come over to look at a fence doing along the north fence line. Yeah.
Yes. And it is opening and working great. Woohoo! It is so nice when a gate works the way it's supposed to. Stop. Perfect. Okay guys, the gate has been working great, and you can see that strut that Monty used works perfect. You can see all the busted up pole that, or the rotted pole. So, still have to replace that, but not on today's agenda. But the gate, this really put some life back into the pole, and it's closing much better. There we go. Now the next thing we're going to have to do is probably replace a sensor for the receiver. And there you go. And this is a large gate. This is a long gate. I believe we're at 16 feet, and that's why that pole, it puts so much pressure, because this is a very long gate for these gate openers. But I tell you what, we love having this gate opener. And there we go. This will buy us time. Thanks for watching this unusual gate repair for an automatic gate. This is a Mighty Mule gate opener, but there's a lot of them out there that are the same design. We do have, this is a solar panel right there that picks up in the summertime when it's low, and then this is our other solar panel, and it charges our battery. So we have loved this gate. Monty was a little skeptical in the beginning, just whether or not it would really work and hold up to the amount of use, and it has. So if you're thinking about it, if you're thinking about putting in a automatic gate, driveway gate, do it. You will be spoiled quickly. Thanks, guys. Well, I just came up here and all the chickens are out. So, looks like the gate got blown open right there. Yep, just saw her fly over that fence. Yep, it is a very cold, windy day.